All right, what's up guys? As you can see from the thumbnail, today we're changing the front splitter. This is the Z51 option, comes from factory like this. It's pretty good from factory as an OEM piece, but I just wanted something more aggressive and something painted. You can see it's kind of like textured plastic. So what I got was this right here. This is the 5VM from Extreme Online Store, EOS. Shout out to them for sending this over. It's got winglets on the ends, and it's a two-piece, as you can see here. You can buy it in one piece, three-piece, you have a few options, but this is in carbon flash, so it matches the trim pieces like the grille, the door, other pieces of the C8. So I'll talk a little bit more about the splitter, and then I'll show you guys how to put it on. It's all pre-drilled. Should be all the factory locations. You can see it's carbon flash, so metallic here, just like all the other trim pieces, so completely matches the car. Sticks out maybe half an inch. I'll show you guys a comparison when I take the stock one off, but yeah, it should look good. So I'll start by attaching this and then start taking off the stock piece. All right, so first step, flip over the splitter. Because it's a two-piece, we're attaching the middle. So this is the hardware they give you. Common sense, use the washer, the nut, line the pieces up and tighten it down. Next up, along the car, you can see there are T15 screws here. There's 21 of them along the splitter, so get a T15 driver and just start removing these. Next up, use the supplied 3M tape. Put it along some of the attachment points, like here. Put it across the splitter, wherever you want. And really, you just use the OEM screws, and then you put this back in the same spot. All right, you can see I got half of it on here. What I did, and you guys can do this too, just use the box to hold the other side up. So you don't need two people. Doing this by myself. Use the box to hold the second piece up while you just get these screws lined up. Tighten them down halfway just to hold it up. Get all of the screws in before you tighten it all down. Here's the final look. You can see it's way more aggressive than the Z51 OEM splitter. It's matches the carbon flash trim everywhere, so it looks like an OEM piece. Really easy to put on. Like you saw it, I put it on by myself. You don't even have to lift the car. Extremely easy. I think it's 100% worth putting this thing on. It changes the whole look. So if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments. Let me know what you guys think as well. And otherwise I'll see you next time, and I'll show you a before and after right now with the front end.